Tungsten carbide wood hole saw can be used for drilling holes on wood and plastic products. Furniture. Door hinge. Used on cutting wood, plywood, solid wood boards, MDF, plastics, fiberglass, etc. Tungsten carbide cutting tip with special heat treatment for sharp cutting edge. High hardness, non-burrs and durable use. Arc curve design head for easy chip removal. More efficient perforation. Suitable for bench drill, vertical drilling machine, CNC carving machine. Processing hardwood or other hard materials should be injected with water to improve the quality and accuracy of drilling and extend the life of the hole opener. Used on desktop fixed equipment and can't be used on handheld power tools. Can't drill metal and non-ferrous metal.